So I was walking along this bike path by the creek that runs through my town, and I found this gorgeous old railroad bridge that I decided to sketch in my sketchbook. Starting on the first page, I'm sketching today in gouache paint that I keep in a little palette. And since this was kind of a fairly intricate architectural design for me, I decided to sketch it all out in pencil first to kind of make sure that I could get the general proportions right before starting with paint. And I kind of decided to start laying it in very light mixes to kind of get my general colors, and then slowly build it up to more opaque paints as I went along. It's kind of interesting. There's a lot of impressionistic paintings from the Impressionists, and they would paint bridges and smokestacks, and really what they were doing was juxtaposing what was a very jarring modern technology with the old countryside that they were familiar with. And this scene kind of captured my eye because here we have an old bridge that kind of symbolizes a bygone time of trains, juxtaposed with a modern interstate highway in the background. I really like the rust textures and just the different elements of this painting. I hope you enjoyed this painting. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel. Remember, you have a voice that matters, so go be creative, and I'll see you next time.